MagicLight AI. MagicLight AI. MagicLight AI is a generative AI tool that turns plain text prompts into fully structured videos, automatically handling script layout, scenes, and timing for you. You can think of MagicLight AI like a director and editor that reads your brief, breaks it into scenes, decides what goes where on the screen, and assembles a watchable video without you touching a timeline. For example, a product marketer can paste a launch brief into MagicLight AI, specify tone and length, and instantly get a structured explainer video with scenes, captions, and transitions ready to review. Tools like this often sit on top of large language models and prompt engineering pipelines, similar to how prompt engineering shapes outputs in systems like the ones we covered earlier. MagicLight AI matters because it compresses hours of scripting and editing into minutes, making video creation accessible to non-editors and letting teams scale consistent, on-brand content. As generative video tools mature, MagicLight AI-style systems become key building blocks in AI-first content pipelines.